Hello Auto Wars, this is Roy. Welcome to Arena, and today we're gonna unboxing this Hyundai I20 COUPE WRC series, and the item number is 95517. Okay, so let's open it and see what's inside. Let's go. Okay, so this is the body for this I20 COUPE WRC cars. So as you can see here, the color is light blue, and here is the rear bumpers, and here's the front bumpers, and this is the spoiler. So you just need to, I think you just need to put it on and click in, and this one as well, and the spoiler, and that will be just done. And so this is the stickers for this car. Okay, then we're gonna talk about the parts. The parts for the chassis color is white. Okay, and then the chassis is NA, and it's ABS chassis. The special one for this one is clear black. Okay, so I think it's really hard to find the clear black so far. I think this is the only one. Okay, and then the the wheel is the medium-sized PP wheels. Okay, and this color is orange. Okay, and the tire it comes with is the medium size, and that's a hard tire. Okay, and the gear ratio it comes with is 3.5 high-speed gear, and comes with the regular pink penny gear, and other is still the same. Okay, so that's everything for this car, and let's see how it looks like after we build it. Okay, so this is the I20 COUPE WRC rally car from the Tamiya today, and also there is also, I believe, the Toyota Yaris. They have same kind of the rally car unit. It comes from Tamiya, and if you like the rally car, maybe that's good timing for you to collect all those. And by the way, and this one also comes with a pretty good items. Like for example, the chassis itself is clear black, and I think so far this is the only unit come with that kind of a chassis. And also the tire comes with a super hard, so it's pretty good. You know, it's pretty good units. So it's also very useful tires, and the chassis is very hard to find, so it's a very good collection, I would say. Okay, so this is today's video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Alright, thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you. I'll see you next time.